Hello! Today is beach day. We're excited. Huh, babies? Excited?
Yeah.
It's really early in the morning, but we're going kind of far. I just wanted to show you guys these cups. I will add this to my clip when I do the things I've bought so far to go on our trip, and it's one of these. It's really cool because they don't have to go like this. It literally just sips from the top, and it's BPA approved. It's free, so it's always great. So yeah, I couldn't wait to use them because today is such a good day to bring them out so they can drink their juice. Mikey's having water with a little bit of ice because it is super hot even though it's early, so I'm afraid that later on it's gonna get even hotter. But yeah, we're gonna have a beach day today with the family and I'm excited. Say bye.
Bye.
You're on camera. Hi, baby. I'm so happy you came. You look so good to your haircut. We got my bestie in the car. Yeah, we got baby in the car. You're excited? Okay, so we made it to the beach. It's so beautiful out today. I'm so happy. I'm with my whole family, so it's beautiful. We came to Zuma Beach in California. It is far from where we live, so it's nice to get out of town and come see the beautiful scenery. Look, it's so bright and beautiful, and my kids are so happy. They love the beach.
Oh, Mike, do you want to try? Yeah, like this one. You want to try? I got a really good picture of him. Okay.
Did you?
Wait. This? Like this? Yeah. Brian has your phone. Let me see this. Oh!
Good job! Hey, Joshua, dance! Hey!
No, el otro van para acá. Para acá no,
Baby, dance. Brian, dance!
You want to go suck your feet in the water?
Let's have one sandwich first, no, baby?
Okay. Haznos un sandwich.
Huh?
Haznos un sandwich.
You want a sandwich?
Es muy chiquito.
I want one sandwich.
Okay.
Cute, beautiful. Stop. Go with daddy, go with daddy. Go. Go with daddy.
Oh, I have my wallet and my phone here.
Oh, go take it. I got him. And your watch. Joshie! Look, Joshie. Okay, there, not far.
Here, let me go get you water. Hold on.
Cool.
Okay.
Cool, huh?
Go, Mikey. Go touch the water. Go. Look further. Can you even tell? Not really, huh? I'll do it better in the other image. I'm not. You see, he's such my son. Cheese. Cheese. Oh, back up. Back up. Okay, yeah, that's fine.
Oh no, the baby's for.
Let's go play volleyball, baby. Okay, can you take? Okay, stay with Adriana. She wants you guys.
Yes, these are the
Okay, imagine he hasn't even seen my bag. Look at this.
It's not even what are those, it's what the heck is going on
What's
here.
going on? Look at that. I want to take some home.
Anna's sandals earlier.
Want some away?
And some guy was staring at me.
Ready?
That means me and Jessica.
Okay, so Jesus won the first time. I won because I'm awesome. So basically, I won twice. You know, if he tells you different, don't listen to him because he's a liar. I am playing too. Can you send that to me? Thank you. So we're here at the beach and we are doing a volleyball game. Me and Jesus played already to dry off. We were burning. We were champs because this freaking sand is hot. You can't feel it, but
we got shoes now.
we got shoes. She got her mama's shoes.
Okay.
And now we're gonna see who wins. I know we got Malavi over here digging a hole or whatever.
Oh, it's this in the beginning. I was like this. Instead of like this. Yeah.
Get it over the neck. Touch the net, you're out.
Yeah, like this.
Hold out of bounds, you're out.
Yeah, like that. But I'm not used to it. I don't know why.
You're not out, you just lose a point. We won! Yeah. Oh my.
Come on, I'm telling you, I got into it. Me and Julie, when we were playing in the beginning, we were like, dang, I wanted to play more, but he was too hot.
It's officially 10. Look at this. This is his natural color. And this is today. Yay, baby. He's like mama now. We're crispy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like,
Oh,
I wanted to play with that little boy.
'cause look
he
how
just
light
Brian,
skin
Brian. And I was
And
like, that's
look
not
at his
Brian.
little deck is tan.
Oh, remember
Little arms.
the boy that looked like Brian in the party?
He had a shirt on. Can you get out, Papa? Yeah. Okay, get out. Oh, you're doing it! Good job, baby. Wow, baby, you did it. Good job. Joshi.
¿Oh, es nuevo?
Nike. Wanna fix your shirt?